All right. So we ain't got no background music. We ain't got nothing. Mayday. Oh wait, let me hook it up to my headset. Yeah, y'all already know it's a baby up in this joint. If you've seen any video, you already know what this is about. Oh my god. Let me go ahead and add this in. Yo, what's your problem?
Mine.
Here.
You can't have this. You're biting on this. There.
Here.
She only wants it
Here.
if it's open.
Hey, make her a bowl of chicken fried rice.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna use that.
Not following me.
Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, me. Come here. Alright. Alright, we gotta turn this one off. Ready to pair. Look, girl. Dang, I just dropped my phone on my toe. Alright, so I think it's this one. What you looking for? No, you can't eat no chapstick. That ain't gonna work like that. Well, I understand. I understand how you feel about it. But I gotta get back to reading. We gotta get back to this. What you need? Are you hungry? Want some drink? If you sleep, you need to go over there and go to sleep. You ready to go to sleep? You wanna watch something else? What do you want? What about this? Hey, please put this stuff away. She eats it, she might get sick. I don't want to go to the hospital. Yeah, it's definitely a choking hazard. It's a choking hazard to everybody. Alright. Last thing we gotta do is change this. Where is it? This girl's going nuts. Let's see. Alright, so obviously there is a bunch of noise going on as usual. Mayday, mayday. All right, he did all that yelling and screaming. And don't even want to eat. All right, here we go. Part two. Part two of who to harass. Well, I'm going to eat it. All right. So it does say, my bad. It does say live public beta. It is not in live public beta. It is not in live public beta until after a few more commands, a few more tests. Mm. I made some of the best chicken fried. Oh my god! I boiled the rice in water first, and then I let it boil all the way out, and then fried the rice in the same pan. Oiled it up real nice. Slid that over. Cracked 3 eggs. Pop, 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 pop. Scrambled them up. Also in another pot, I had a teriyaki broth, in which pre-cooked teriyaki chicken was chopped up, thrown in. Bell peppers of each of the regular colors: green, yellow, red. Onions. Um, what else was in there? That might have actually been it. Nah, cause I threw something else in here. No, that's the bell pepper. That's that. Yep, that was it. Oh no, and broccoli. That's what it is. And now I see it. Fried that broccoli. Get it nice and hard. Pause. It's so good. Now, what I wish I would have did, which I might do this anyway, because I made so much of it. Fry some onions, not onions. Fry some mushrooms. Got some portobellos. Slice them bad boys up. Mm. I don't know why, but that baby finna get crying again. I ate her food. She didn't want it. All right, so it's got a long prompt running. And be honest with you, I think it'd be a better stream if I just move things over to this desktop with the dual screens, and then we can, yeah, we can actually take a really good look. Damn, let's figure out what's going on with this computer. Wait, the other monitor's turned off. Is that what it is? Hello? Mayday. Mayday, do you read me? Somebody might have knocked something out. Yeah, it's been a strange, long journey path that I told you I was going to be dedicated to. And yes, of course, I do see base. I think base 44 was already out. Base 44 was coming out during the last sets of videos that I had posted or did on live. I don't remember. I'm not a social media person. There we go. But what happened to the computer? Hello, hello. Do you read me? Hello, Windows. Hello, it's me. I've been trying to log in, but for some reason you don't see me. Turn on the computer. All right, let me just reset it. Cause it's got an external um HDMI, so that might be. I don't see this one coming on at all. I don't think I know what I'm doing. I've been on that same laptop for so long. I did use this one at one point. I don't know what's going on. Oh, you gotta turn the computer on. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. I don't think this guy should be building Clajama. I don't think this guy should be the one overseeing this AI to do these activities. Yeah, I think that'll speed up. That'll speed up everything. Running past. Uh-oh. Well, I don't really care. Well, actually, I do. Hang on 1 second. That's the best part. That was close. Um, what I would say is it's kind of risky putting those in. All right. So there are certain. Oh, that kind of makes it kind of boo boo. So, unfortunately, I won't be able to run Goose on that. Oh my God. I still got Linux on this computer. Oh, I forgot. I did a dual boot. Oh, I would have been at this. It's 1 terabyte. Oh, but that's the thing. I only got one screen. Only got one screen. Am I watching my own video somehow? Oh, that is. Oh, because I can't see the chat. There's no way to see the anybody in the chat. Anyways, all right. Let me get back to what I was doing. Anyways, we need to install Goose on this machine. Goose is already installed. So what's the problem? There's a reason I didn't sit over here and use Goose on this desktop. Um. Oh, it was using local inference, which is trash. Hey, I gotta go be the police. All right, so I needed to find out why Goose on this computer wasn't able to work. So yeah, I'm gonna move everything to here. I guess I'm gonna keep doing the at least voice stream. Um, Again, the whole point is to build a base of users. Um, Pretty much provide a service that obviously I believe in. I haven't stopped. We're finna change the theme. The whole theme of Clajama is finna get changed when that last prompt or Goose, when Goose stops running. Let me see. We don't want any hints in this machine. Want to close all this out. Let me go ahead and load a model in. Hang on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pull it over to this computer. The issue is that one is actually streaming. I don't even know the quality of the stream on that computer. That's like a 5-year-old HP stream. It's pretty much gone anyways. Um Let me. Oh, and then the code base. I'll have to. No, that'll be all right. I can just grab the code base from the cloud, pull it back down, and that'll be another thing. What's the password? Let me see. I haven't used much. Haven't used much today. And what we'll do is call this a Clajama desktop key. Because the other computer, like I said, it is so slow. Configure a provider. DeepSeek. Always. Update. Select the model. What? What? LLM swap. Use other provider. What you mean? This provider requires an API key. Okay. Enter. Is that there we go, DeepSeek. Yep. I'm not trying to run Flash too hard. I mean DeepSeek V3, whatever it is. I ain't really trying to run with that. I like DeepSeek chat. Which they probably call chat. I think chat just became let me see. Is DeepSeek let's see, is DeepSeek chat now V4? Yes, has are powered by alright, so whatever. Alright, so we got our model set up. Let's go to home. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this machine to go ahead and pull the code. Let's see. Hello. We need to connect to the server at the objective is to get our Clajama code base found in. We only want the code, no VIMs, bins, pi caches, etc. Now let me save that because, like I said, I'm gonna have to go back and forth from room to room with these kids in here going nuts. Turn on summarize. I like auto visualizer too. I mean, yeah, and I got this crazy thing about me and the DeMorgan thing. I know it's old. That's nothing new. But when I found out, well, not found out, kind of just re-looked at it and was like, oh my god, you can actually. This is a linguistic algebra. And let me start by exploring what tools and functions I have. It's always something when every time I use a new computer. That's why I never use the other one. The reasoning is in thinking mode. In the thinking mode must be passed back. Please retry if you think this is a transient error. What the hell are you talking about? Oh, let me see. DeepSeek dash chat. All right, it says that's on my DeepSeek chat still a model. Okay, yeah, that V4 stuff talking about it don't know. It don't know what to do. There we go. There we go. All right, boom. Yeah, we got this computer way more powerful. This one is way more powerful. Way more powerful. Everything's instant. Auto configuration. Optimized for streaming, recording. Uh, uh, service to be YouTubeulation, connect account, which is recommended. Bro, I can't believe this finally worked. It normally takes forever for this to actually get connected, but I know it's gonna process much faster. Authorization is complete. Okay, next. All right, they let it do its thing. Hell is this thing talking about? Oh my god. Wait, why is it turning off my oh my goodness. Enable spell check, concise, um prompt injection detection. I don't even care about none of that stuff. I know that sounds crazy. Let's see what the prompt's looking like. Nope. And I forgot I got deep sea coder on here. Actually, no, hold on. Oh, I know. I deep sea coder. This can't have no tool calls. Um, they keep saying that they recommend. I don't really like some of these models. I ain't gonna download no more models. That's enough. Just gonna stick to what I like. I mean, I got a deep sea model, but I want the, I want the great one. All right. Oh, is that it right there? Hold on, give me 1 second. I forgot. I think the last time I left this computer, tool calls. Meaning you will, yeah. Oh, it says I got one. It downloaded already. All right, let's see it. Let me try that first. Let me just try that. I got to. I don't have a choice. All right, let me start a new chat. Let's see how slow it is or how fast it is. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, just stop. Anyways, let's get back to where we were. So the password. No. It my. Hold on. Beginning and ending, no space. And that's almost right on time. This baby ready to go to sleep. Oh, this computer got military time on it. Releases, core utilities, yeah. All right, so we're gonna speed up in just a little bit. We're finna move it to the other computer. Pretty sure you can't go live while you going live. Retrieval is successful. Where did you put it? Um, hey, what's up? All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead this because my other laptop. Hold on. This is a fresh Ubuntu desktop install. You are allowed to set up and run this on a local server fully. All right, so that'll speed up the testing. That way, I can pretty much. Well, yeah, I mean, it actually wasn't. Well, I just put it online to see how I would do it. It's coming along. And then we got some air shoes while it's still. This one must be still running. Yep. Yeah, so it doesn't. It needs to link back down. And like I said before, I did try free, but it cost me so much that I don't. I mean, I would love to give it away for free, or maybe I'll come up with some of them plans Google got and all this other stuff. But I spent so much time and money doing this. I don't want to give out a free account. I really don't. I really don't, because somebody could get on here for free and do nothing. Um, yeah. But thank you to all the supporters along the way, viewers who popped in and popped back out, people who sat with me, asked me questions that I didn't answer because I didn't know how YouTube chat worked. Even to this day, I cannot see the YouTube chat unless I go onto my phone and become my only viewer. Doing it this way is a lonely road, but it's the only road I have ever known. I walk alone. Yeah. It's pretty much just be a podcast. The worst tuber in history strikes again. Literally got a page not moving at all. But I am working on two different computers. I think the funniest part is like, bro, why did you get your stuff together before you started streaming? That's not how it works around here. We move when motivated. Oh man. Do you want a bite? Mmm. Mmm. I gotta make sure I don't eat it all. All right. Just give me a minute. I know I'm talking like it's 50 people watching, but it's just the way it is. Besides, do you know how much time I spend talking and thinking to myself? No, I'm not talking in a crazy way. Like, hey man, what do we do about this? I don't know. I have no idea. Oh. All right, and so the reason it's taking so long is I'm fixing to crush that server, the online server. Um, Everything is working perfectly. What's up? You want another bite? Mm-hmm. Here. Ah, 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 ah. It's so good, ain't it? I gotta make sure I don't eat all of it again. All right, almost there. Doing a DB backup. Then there's a whistle. It's gonna do a final comprehension check, and then we're just gonna switch over. Boom. We're up and running on the local machine. Let me try to log in to make sure everything is as it should be. Let's see. All right, invalid email and password. Let me see if I can even send out Gmail. Yeah, I should be able to get this link to the server. Um, yeah, even locally, I should still be able to get my mail. All right. In a minute now. Oh, so let's go ahead and resolve that real quick. Um, locally we need to here. Let's see. Yeah, go ahead and in the local database, change my password to. All right, what was cleaned? API keys, everything is pulled through. Utilities, no debug reloaders. Oh, we're in production mode. Oh, oh. So this whole thing runs on 46 megabytes of RAM. Okay. So there's no user oh, it didn't pull over the live database, obviously. Start building. Let me create an account. Yep. Oh snap, I'm in. All right, we in. Scratch that. Scratch that. We're in. You need to do periodic syncs to the server. Um, to the server, we need to ensure that an incorrect update or catastrophe doesn't render the local or server version broken. There we go. All right, so we got that out the way. Forgot I couldn't get an email. We'll go ahead and what does it say? Apply those settings. Um, let's pick a source. Um, let's pick a source. Oh, and I gotta put the headphones over here too. We got a good bit of stuff to move. Good bit of stuff to move. So, like I said, I got one more thing to add in. Video capture device. What was the? There was actually no point in starting this stream, and I do apologize for all the time that has been wasted. Come on, somebody, put your hands together. All right, so we got that screen running. Now I gotta go and redo my broadcast. I gotta reset that, but they're like, bro, you ain't do nothing yet. All right, and then lastly, when doing SSH pass, do not expose the password to me. I am streaming. Let's interject that right now. Local paths. But the local versions. Let me just verify the size match instead of the sync system without overthinking this. How about this? How about this? How about this? You know what? And then I gotta stop you right there, buddy. How about this? You just make whatever uh system, whatever path it needs, or we go on the desktop. Clajama, is it in here? Which one is it? You got Clajama inside of a Clajama inside of a Clajama. This one's bad. Then why are we doing like this? Which one is it? Clean database. Because inside of this one, docs, releases, static. Let me find out where we at first. Claron. Uh, understood. Hey, what, what directory, what directory are you running out of your Clajama files seem like duplicates within duplicates. Yeah, this computer's so much faster. Um, core and utilities are separated. Clajama core, Clajama utilities exist inside the Clajama. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So build a sync system. Remember what I said about SSH patch? The server has a more complete code base versus our local. Let me set up a proper two-way sync. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What do you mean? How about this? Yeah, cause I mean AI is kinda smart, and I do mean kinda. Why can't I just grab all these files? What's going on here? Let's do it like this. Let's see. We're gonna tell it to stop. You are to get the code, the source code from the server now. I do not trust you, and I have deleted. You gotta let this. You gotta let that computer know. You gotta let that computer know. I can't even trust you, and I have deleted the code in desktop slash Clajama and want you to start over. Okay. Understood. Fresh start. Getting the code from the server. No VIN, no podcast, no noise. Empty directory. Now I just gotta go watch it real quick. I don't be trusting this. The full server picture, domain code. I already told you that. Where were you getting code from? Like I said, there's so many versions of Clajama on this computer, on the server. Only the AI knows where the real one is. And since we wanted to create a diabolical schematic of dialyses, of vengeance, of definition, I'm just talking crazy. Here. Gotta make sure I eat your food. What? What's she doing? I gave her something to eat. She just went, ah, like it was hot. This stuff is room temperature. All right. Didn't get no bill, no cookie text. Hit a reload on this bad boy. All right, we finna go. We finna get over to the faster computer. I should have been at it. That's my fault. And that's why the other computer ain't moving nowhere. It's stuck processing. Settings. Oh, manage billing. Yeah, I'm so used to the desktop version. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. And I'm the admin on the other one. We can fix that. Oh, and let me tell you this. Hey, all right, stop putting SSH values in the chat. Something ain't right here. Here's what I should have ready: scripts that compare local files, server files, deploying. Yeah, yes, yes. Um, then don't mention SSH. Add to core. Add to memory. All right. So I got a baby fixing to go to sleep. What's going on? What?